Right, morning again. Back at the Nürburgring car park. So it's a track day like we would have back home. So quite a lot of whips lying around. We're going to head over to the Devil's Diner car park and try and see some of the stuff that's lying about. But yeah, quite a lot of whips. So I believe this is just like a normal track day. You could pay, it was like 500 euros or something. And you could pay on and just take your car on. There's a lot of British cars here. A lot. We'll go and get a swatch. Here's a purple GT3 RS just sitting there. Some amount of cars lying about. And I think this is a boy from Edinburgh. RDM one. I'm going to go up and start having a wee swatch around all the cars and see what's kicking about. I didn't expect to see one of these, so I didn't, but there's one here, Aventador SV, satin, black. Fuck me, man. Let's get a look at this. That's a real SV, man. That's mental, isn't it? Dead serious with it. Hi. There you go. Some setup on this, man. Got to check, so this is like a full Manti kit GT3 RS in either Ruby Star, Ruby Stone, no sure. But anyway, this has got like every single box ticked on it. Let's get a look at this. It's mental, innit? Pretty epic, man. That's all you can see there. M3 laps. Team spec that one, man. Here he comes, here he comes. Is that him coming there? So we're just chilling, Devil's Diner, watching all the track cars going by. Well, when I say track cars, it's just the same cars that are on tourist days. But it's always good to see them by. There's loads and loads and loads of British cars here, hundreds of people from Scotland, which is good to see. So, just try to have a chill day today so we can wind down, and we're heading home tomorrow morning, but there's lots going on. I just put the camera on the fence there just to try and capture the kind of the vibes, the cars just coming on and off the track, like the standard of car that you're seeing here versus what we would see at one of our normal track days back at home. Like, you know, I don't think I've seen that many Fiestas. So I just thought I'd put the camera there just to see what's going on. We're going to go and have a look, do some sim racing I think, and the boys, the younger lads that are with me, my wee cousin and his pal, haven't been at the museum yet, so I'm not going to cover that because I've already covered it like 2 years in a row on the channel. So we'll just nip in and out of the museum for the boys, it's really good. Do some sim racing, and then I think we're going to try and find a decent vantage point to watch the cars on the straights, which is quite hard. If you've ever been to Nürburgring, you don't know what it's like to walk around, it's difficult, but we'll do our best. Since he's idiots can't do a proper intro, we've found a really nice vantage point at the track here, as you can see, when everybody's flat out. So we're going to stand here for a bit and absorb the last 20 minutes of the track day and eat some food. Right, I'm going to hand over to my colleague now, newest recruit for Dreamscape. That's so awkward. That is wild to pan up. You can't put me to the spot.
BMW Airlines. I maybe should check out the parcel.
This is Aero. Is it? Aye, right there.
I wasn't expecting this, but I've actually found an official photographer's hole in the fence here. So let's capture some cool videos of them going round the corner. Uh-oh.
That's a Clio.
Something quite cool about this area here, isn't there?
Wait for a Sunday stroll. boat cars.
Was that the most of the last lap? This photo control. Let's be behind.